Hey, this is Clint from CT Mad Mods, and today I'm going to show you how to pull a transfer case out of a Suzuki Samurai. Straight, I've been having a lot of trouble with my transfer case popping out of gear, so I'm going to fix that today. I'm going to put my old 6.5 transfer case in. It's wintertime in Alaska, I got to have four-wheel drive. Of course, you know I got some help. Anyways, y'all want to guess what I'm about to do? Here's a hint. Got a 4.9 gear in a transfer case that I put together this summer. Been driving it all summer, but it's jumped out of four-wheel drive 2 or 3 times this winter. So, pulling out the 4.9, putting in the 6.5. Hey, let's go inside. God. Thank you. First thing you want to do is remove your shifter. Pull the little rubber boot off and pull your shifter out because you don't want it in the way. Imagine if you don't have a cradle that it would come out without you doing that, but I have a cradle and it's just really, it won't fit through the hole. So pull that out first. Next thing I'm going to do is drain the oil. And then I'm going to start taking these drive lines off. So look at this oil that just came out of this. It's that green gear oil, but man, it sure looks like it's got a little bit of metallic to it. There was a little bit of stuff on the magnet, so I don't know. It has a brand new bearing kit in it. I don't know if it was just broken in bearings. We got everything disconnected. You got a plug that you got to disconnect, and you have to take your shifter out the top, and you have to get your speedo cable pulled out. That's gross. All right, all the bolts are out, all the drive lines are off. I'm about to pull this sucker out. All right, this sucker's gonna come out of here. All right, lift up. Oh, there it goes. Okay. I think it's weird that I forget how to take this thing out every time I take it out. But it just goes past my exhaust like this. Up and over. And we're out. All right, we're gonna pull this 4.9 case out of the cradle and put the 6.5 back in it. You guys who your full drive, like your transfer case locks where you can't shift it. You see how this one is lined up inside there. You can see the little notches are lined up. Well, I was driving to my work and it clumped. It went out of gear. I suspect, I'm not gonna pull it apart right now, but I suspect that one of my shifter forks is bent or something. It's missing a detent ball or something. And that stupid, one of those shifters popped out of line. And so what I need to do is just take a screwdriver, and if this happens to you in the field, you just push down your little collar, pull your shifter out, reach in there with a screwdriver and pop these to where they're even. Like right now, It's acting like it's in full drive, but it's not. It wasn't in full drive whenever I was driving it. So this one truly is in full drive. All right, let me put this one in the cradle and get this over with. I've been here for about an hour now. And I don't know how much more I can take of this right here. Get it! Get it! Get it, buddy. Get it. All right, let's get back to work. Got them transferred over. This is my old 6.5 case. And I don't know what the heck's going on with this one. It's a new rebuild. And, it's leaking oil, got all kinds of stuff going on. But I wasn't impressed with the 4.9 gear anyways. I really like the 6.5 gear taking off in town. Just general wheeling, driving around. I've got 430 gears in my axles, 35s, and that 6.5 gear was awesome. The only place it did not shine was on the highway, and I could only do about 57, 58 miles an hour. How often do I go on the highway? Not even every day. So I mostly drive this thing around town. I've got a trailer and a truck. If I'm gonna drive 150 miles out of town, I'm probably gonna trailer it anyways. I'm not gonna drive it 150 miles. So it's my daily driver around town. I don't need to be going faster than 50 something miles an hour. Speed limits in Anchorage are 45, right? So I'm gonna put the 6.5 case back in and watch me struggle doing it by myself. Okay. Get it over there. Get it up there. Push it back. Okay. Get it past my exhaust. Past my exhaust. Come back slightly. Gotta go up. Here we go. Oh, only one that didn't stab was this one. So, I'm hitting my drive line. Let me get that out of the way. Okay. I knew that was too easy. All right, there he is. Fell in. All right. I'm gonna do my big nut. I find it easier to put your shifter in when the drive line's out of the way, so I'm gonna do that right now. There it is. It's kind of greasy. I didn't want to just jump right on, but yep, it's in. Probably gonna need a light for this one. Put the little clip on, slide it out of the way. We're back together. All right, drive lines. Almost got this sucker put back together. I got a plug, I got a speedo cable, and 2 drive lines, and I'm done. We're testing this sucker out. That went pretty quick, about 2 hours-ish. And Kevin's here, so ended up talking with him for a bit. So getting better and better at these transfer case swaps. Well, I guess you can say the 6.5 is working good. Just out here in the back 40, driving around in some snow. I missed this old 6.5 transfer case. That 490 wasn't the business.